SnapLogic enables teams to integrate, automate, and orchestrate the flow of data across their enterprise, all powered with AI-led integration. And the first step towards modern end-to-end data orchestration is SnapLogic AutoSync. So what is AutoSync? First, let's explore challenges with legacy data orchestration, which typically begins with data loading of some type, either into a data platform like a cloud data lake or cloud data warehouse for analytics. Then the data is mobilized and activated for other parts of the enterprise for operational purposes. However, according to a recent study performed by Vance and Bourne, as many as 88% of organizations face challenges when loading data into a data platform to perform these operations. It will also be important to simplify the data integration process to empower a broader range of users, from technical specialists to business executives to citizen integrators, to access and work with data. This is where SnapLogic AutoSync comes in. SnapLogic AutoSync is a modern, powerful integration, syncing, and automation solution that does the cumbersome data integration work for you. But what makes AutoSync special is that it is purpose-built to be fast and easy for anyone to use. Let me show you how. Okay, we are in our SnapLogic environment, our designer canvas here, and we are going to enter into AutoSync. All right, this is our AutoSync environment. I'm going to expand so that you can see all of my pipelines, and this is our dashboard for AutoSync. So what we're going to do to start our Customer 360 example is to kick off a new pipeline. Let's give this pipeline a name. We're going to say engagement data for sales. Give it a little rev number so we keep track of it. And now we go about constructing a pipeline. In this case, we're just telling AutoSync what it is we wanted to do. We're not actually creating the pipeline ourselves. So we're going to begin with create a data set. We're going to select next, and then this data set will be for sales. Then we're going to select next. And then what we're going to do from here is, again, give some additional metadata. We're going to create a curated data set. Now, as I'm selecting these, you notice a description is being built out here on the right. That's all happening automatically, so that if anyone comes in after me, they'll have a good sense of what's going on with this pipeline. And also what you'll notice is that we are actually starting from the right side of our data flow. This is unique to SnapLogic, where we begin by specifying the business purpose first. This is what gives a pipeline its business context, and in fact, is what makes it easier for anyone to use. By starting with the business purpose first, then we can open up this tool or the solution AutoSync to a broader range of users, enabling integration, democratization, or citizen integration if you prefer. We're going to select next. Now from here, we are going to specify where this data is going into. And in this case, we want to go into Google BigQuery, and we select that. And now we're at the point where we select what our data sources are, right? And so given that this is the Customer 360 example, we are going to take product data from Gainsight. We're also going to take some information that we have been maintaining in our own spreadsheet that's on Google Sheets, and then we're going to take information from ServiceNow. If you notice, as this data diagram is being built out on the right, we're pulling in these three sources at the same time. The advantage here is that it'll allow these sources to be synchronized at the same time, so therefore context around the data, synchronization of these different data sources are all done simultaneously. In fact, we can choose up to 5 sources, but in this case, we have just 3. All right, so now AutoSync is doing its thing. It's going to provision the software. Given that we're loading CRM data into our BigQuery environment and using AutoSync, the reason why we're doing that is because the problem is with many software solutions, especially like CRM, it may overwrite your updates, and that's not what you want to have happen. You might want to preserve historical data, so by moving data into AutoSync, it allows you to accumulate data and maintain history. You saw just how easy it was to set up what we wanted AutoSync to do in terms of data flow. Just click, 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 and it's done. If you're ready to learn more about AutoSync, I invite you to request a demo by visiting snaplogic.com, and our team will be in touch. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.